In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to buy gift card on Palmpay. So all you just need to do, just log into your Palmpay account. Then the next thing you're gonna do is scroll down to where you see services right here. Then under the service, you're gonna see more at the top right. Just click on more. Then you can see all the features that are available on Palmpay. Then down here you can see gift card. Just click on gift card. Then right here you can see all the available gift card, and you can see click on the drop down. I don't know which one you are actually seeing currently, so you can just currently I'm seeing Apple, you can see right here. So just click on the drop down, then you can see all the available ones. You can see Apple, PlayStation, Amazon, Steam card, Jumia, SpectraNet, and some other ones. You can see there are a lot of them. Oriki, I don't know, Nintendo, National Express, Spar, and more. And if you click on shopping, you can see some other ones like Apple, Amazon, Samsung, Massey, Jumia. And if you click on game, you see some other ones that are dedicated for gaming. And if you click on movies, you see Netflix, and so you can see different one right here. You can see internet, SpectraNet. So you can see click on all, then you'll be able to see all of them right here. So just select the one you actually want to go for. Let's say Apple for example. Then scroll down to see amount. You can see $2, $3, $4, $5, $10. You can see right here. So then if you check down below, you can see how much it's gonna cost you to get a $10 Apple card in United States, for example. And you can also select the country that you want. You can see United States and Canada, so just select it. So for Canada, $10 is 16,475, and for US is 17,986 naira. So right here you can also select another one if you don't want Apple. If you want Steam card or Amazon, for example, if you want Amazon, then click on country. Okay, only US is available. The least you can get is $20, $50, and then $100. So for you to be able to buy $100 worth of Amazon card from Palmpay, you have to pay 179,857 naira. You can see right there. Then you can click on pay, then you'll be able to buy the card without any issue. So this is how you can buy gift card on Palmpay for any kind of thing you want to do, and this is very easy.